Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here, and today I'm showing you guys how to get this eyeshadow look, and I'm also showing you guys my first time putting on lashes. I have never put on lashes before myself. This is my first time. Okay, so I am using the LA Girl Hot Heat palette, and start off, I'm going in with this color right here, which is Orchard. Kind of like in my outer corner V. I think I went a little too high up. So like here, I just need to blend out more this way. So I'm just building this up and blending it in really well. I'm gonna go in with Aloha, which is right next to it. This one right here. And then we're gonna go in with Luau, which is right here. And we're just gonna fill in the rest of my eye. Okay, and then for the fun part, we're gonna take Plumeria, which is right here. We're just gonna use our finger, go right over the middle. Kind of gives it like a little galaxy-esque like look. It makes it really springy and just really pastel and pretty. So that is it for the eye. Now to make it look much better, like this side, we are going to add some eyeliner. So this has been my very first time applying eyelashes. I literally got these eyelashes from just the 99-cent store because I was like, I don't want to waste any good lashes. And I'm cheap. So these are the lashes. Hopefully you guys can see. And they're called Elite Pro Beauty Lush Lashes. I was hoping these would look like super bomb so I could go out and like flip them on Mercari, but so far, they just look whatever to me. They're not dramatic at all. I kind of like them because they look a little natural. But if you guys like look and I blink down, they look really plasticky, not real at all. So these have been great to practice on. I can't wait till I improve and try the real deal. But right now, I'm just adding the glue. This is 99-cent store glue too. You guys are gonna really come for me. But I'm just practicing, is that okay? Okay, so I just put the glue on the lash. I like pumped the glue into a container, and then cause this glue is so ghetto, I just dabbed the tip of it and then dabbed it all on the top. Okay, now this is what I see my friends do. They, you know, blow on it, kind of dry it. You do this with hair glue too. Like when you need to dry like here, you gotta blow on it. Okay, so next, it goes this way. You gotta flip it to go the right way, yeah? And then I'm just gonna plop it on here, okay? So, oh, whoa, forgot an important part. Dry out. We gotta add some mascara. How did I almost forget to put mascara on? Hold on. All right, you gotta add a little bit of mascara because I think it helps the lashes stick. Honestly, I don't know why you apply mascara. Maybe to push your eyelashes up, help your eyelashes to blend. IDK. Okay, here it goes, here it goes. Is it the right way? Yeah, it's the right way. Okay, I think it's the right way. You guys will tell me if I'm wrong. Oh. Okay, so next you grab your tweezers and then you just, I'm talking to you guys like I'm the pro. Like you guys probably do this better than me. Okay, and then you just clamp them together, right? So, oh, that's not in my lash line. I think you put it in your lash line, maybe on your skin. Oh, okay, it's sticking. Hey! All right, and then what I see people do is they just take the tweezers and like clamp them together. Oh. Coming up. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. This one, oh. I think we let it dry for too long. This also could very well be, this lash could be done with me though, because this is the first lash I use. So this is like the practice one. Truth be told, guys, I put this lash on this eye first and then I realized that's not how it goes. The Ghetto, because I know this is definitely on my skin and not in my lash line. Okay, the Ghetto, because I don't know what's going on. Yeah, like this bottom part isn't even on. But for the sake of this just being for fun and me not going anywhere, I think we're gonna keep it pushing. I am going to add some more mascara. Okay, so it looks like, oh, I see. I was like, it looks like it's lifting. Probably because it totally is. Okay, this one's okay. It's right here. Did I get it? Is it better? I think it's better. I honestly don't know. I think this corner piece is totally lifting. Oh yeah, it's totally lifting. Okay. So that was a fail. Probably because there's just way too much stuff on these lashes, truth be told. Okay, so this is just a fail on this side, but for the sake of finishing the tutorial, we are going to carry on. Okay, so we're gonna go in with some concealer. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer in the color Golden Amber. Truth be told, I don't like this color. So, this color makes me look sick. Do you guys see this? Like, it literally makes me look sick. Okay, yeah, this isn't on at all. So, we're gonna blend it, and then we're gonna go in with another color. Blend it out. It looks, oh, the Ghetto. It is coming up. It's really, really coming up. Okay, we're just gonna go with a little bit. This color is much better. I think this color is just almond, but I use it so much that it actually wiped off, so I'm not sure what color it is, but if I had to guess, I'm gonna say almond. Oh, and since we're getting glam, we're gonna go ahead and put some on these sides here. I can't believe I finally put on lashes, guys. Even though these are the most basic lashes ever, it's like such a stepping stone. Now I see why everyone wears lashes. It took me 27 years to put on my first pair of lashes, but I am so here for it. It totally like makes the look. Okay, I still feel like I'm getting a little bit of shadow, but that's better. It totally brings the look together. Yeah, this is not the best lighting for glam makeup, so I do apologize. I'm gonna use the ring light. All right, so I've been using this Color Stay, I'm sorry, not Color Stay, this CoverGirl True Blends Mineral Powder underneath my foundation, but since it's so luminous and like gold, I don't want to use it on top. So I'm actually just gonna go in with the Almay Smart shade to bake, and I actually do have to bake for this concealer because it's a watery concealer. It needs a little bit of help staying put. Here, we are sculpting today, guys. Absolutely sculpting. Okay, y'all, it is time to sculpt, and we're gonna use this brush right here, you guys. I am hitting pan on this contour palette, and I'm just super excited because I absolutely love this contour palette. And I honestly have so much makeup, sometimes I feel like it's almost impossible for me to hit pan. Here I am, your girl is hitting pan. What am I gonna use next? I actually have the Anastasia contour palette to use next, but she's a cream contour and I'm more of like a powder girl, to be determined. But I am loving the lashes, yo. Just gave me so much confidence. I'm like, I'm about to shoot so many freaking videos now that I know I don't have to do mascara. Girl, 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 girl. 27 years, put on learn how to do my lashes, but hey, your girl is like, she needs some blush. So I think I'm gonna use cream blush today. I like how I just like, or I don't like cream contour. And I'm like, I think I'm gonna use cream blush today. So this is the NYX Rouge blush, cream blush in the color orange. It's an old one, guys. I'll have to see if I can find it or something similar, but something will be in the description box for you guys. This is totally not even. It can be fixed. It can be fixed. Okay, so I put it on with this side. So with this side, I'm just gonna go through and dab it. One time I was in Vegas and we were trying to hit our dab and everyone else hit theirs perfectly except for me, and it was embarrassing because I was the only black one. I don't know where that story came from, maybe because I miss Vegas. That happened. Okay, I think I need like a luminous, boy, okay, creasing going ham. I definitely need like a luminous highlighter today because like gold, straight up gold and straight up silver I think is gonna be too much. Now, ooh, the called really absorbed. Just taking off any excess oil. And now, what am I missing? I'm missing a little bit of highlight, so we're gonna go get that. Okay, so this highlighter stick is like an oldie from Wet n Wild. I actually just told myself I was about to throw this away, so the fact that it's on my face right now is kind of concerning. But here we are. So this is like one of their mega highlighter sticks and kind of reminds me of the blush I just put on. I think this side is beaming much more. And it's funny because it's giving me a gold vibe, and that's exactly what I did not want. To finish it out, we're just gonna go in with a little bit of powder on top just to pull everything together. And then we're gonna finish it up with some setting powder and lips. And we are done. We have done it. It's not as pastel-y as I wanted it to be, but I feel like it's a spring makeup look nonetheless. Okay, let's do lips real fast. Okay guys, so here we have a somewhat finished look. I'm not like, I think I can get a little more berry-ish with my lip color, so I'm just adding this berry color. Yeah, just to give it a little bit more of like a purplish. And this lip gloss is honestly from 7-Eleven. But my eyeliner or my lip liner was LA Girl Espresso, and then my original lip color was the NYX Butter Gloss, and then I tried the NYX Lingerie Bedtime, but ultimately I would just do these two with this because it like kind of pulls in the pink from the eyes. But okay guys, feel free to drag me for my lashes. This is the first time I've ever put on lashes. They're really not dramatic at all, but they're so fun. I'm about to go look up where I can get like some really good cheap lashes, and I think I'm about to like kill the game with like looks and whatnot because this is so much easier than putting on mascara. I'm kind of concerned that I learned how to do this over like right before summer because I don't want to sweat them off, but who's to say we'll be even able to go outside. But yeah, this is my take on my like pastel for like black woman, black girl, spring. It could definitely be a little bit more like spring-y, so I might try this again but with like blue or pink, maybe even green. So just let me know what you guys want to see next and what you guys think of this look, what you would add, take away, yada yada yada. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.